COVID-19 changed everything overnight. One day, life was normal, the next, the world shut down. But how did a microscopic virus bring nations to their knees? And why are millions still battling its effects long after infection? Today, we uncover the truth about COVID-19's lasting impact and the lessons we can't afford to ignore. When COVID-19 first popped up in late 2019, it was just a blip on the radar, a weird flu-like illness halfway across the world. Fast forward a few months, and suddenly toilet paper was a rare luxury. We were all baking banana bread, and the phrase "you're on mute" became a daily struggle. The virus spread like wildfire, forcing scientists, doctors, and world leaders into a frantic race to figure out what was happening. Turns out, COVID-19 wasn't just a bad cold. It could attack the lungs, the heart, and even the brain. Some people got a mild case, losing their sense of taste, tragic if you just ordered your favorite meal, while others ended up in the ICU, fighting for their lives. The real kicker? People who felt fine could spread it. That's why masks, social distancing, and later vaccines became crucial. Speaking of vaccines, science pulled off a miracle with messenger ribonucleic acid, technology giving us shots that saved millions of lives. But of course, that came with its own set of challenges: misinformation, hesitancy, and enough conspiracy theories to fuel a dozen sci-fi movies. Even with vaccines, COVID didn't just vanish. Some people developed long COVID, where symptoms like brain fog and chronic fatigue lingered for months or years. And let's not forget the mental health toll. Isolation, uncertainty, and stress turned life upside down, leaving many dealing with anxiety, depression, or just the general existential dread of living through a global crisis. Meanwhile, the virus kept evolving like a never-ending movie sequel, forcing health experts to update strategies and adapt on the fly. If COVID taught us anything, it's that the world wasn't as prepared as we thought, but it also showed us the power of science, resilience, and community. The pandemic will go down as a defining moment in history, one that changed medicine, public health, and even how we live our daily lives. So what's next? Are we truly prepared for the next global health crisis, or are we just hoping for the best? I'll leave you to discuss in the comments. What's the biggest lesson you've learned from this pandemic? Support us by subscribing if you haven't already. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and I'll catch you soon in another video.